Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this part, I'll show you how to sell Bitcoin on the Kraken app step by step in a clear and easy way. If you already own Bitcoin and want to cash out or switch to another currency, this is exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Kraken app. On the right-hand side of the screen, tap the Sell button. This will take you straight to the sell screen. On this page, you'll see a default asset already selected. If it's not Bitcoin, just tap on the asset name. Use a search bar to type BTC, then select it from the list. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. Once you've entered the amount, tap Sell BTC to continue. A confirmation screen will now appear. This is where you take a moment to double-check all the details, including the amount you're selling and what you'll receive in return. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm to complete the order. And that's it! You've successfully sold Bitcoin on the Kraken app. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple Kraken and crypto tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next.